This is tiger. It's a cat.
Okay.
It wants to be in the camera.
He's so fat. Look at his double chin.
The multi chin chin. Okay, so Jane, let's start the game.
Hi guys, it's Jane here and welcome back to my channel.
Yes.
And in today's video, we are going to play a game with my
Sister.
Right. So we're going to be playing a game that all of you probably know. It's called 20 questions and we will be writing 2 words each. Just 2 words, okay? And we will see by the end who gets more points.
Yeah. Okay, let's start.
If you lose, you're gonna have to... Wait, if you lose, Mom, you're gonna have to give us... Like, you have to buy me coffee.
Sure. And you, if you lose, you buy me coffee.
I've been buying coffee for you ever since. That's not fair. Okay, fine.
Ready?
So, okay.
I have to show it to them. But can you see it? No, don't look to the camera because I'm going to show
okay,
it my
fine.
audience.
It's fine.
Okay.
You know, we
It's
can just write the
words,
word
okay.
later.
There you go. Ask me the question.
Is it a living thing?
It is a living thing.
Is it an animal?
Yes, it is an animal.
Does it have 4 legs?
Yes, 4 legs.
How many questions is that already?
I think 2 legs.
Is it 4 or 2?
It's confusing.
What animal is it?
Okay, 4 legs, 4 legs, 4 legs.
Okay, 4 legs. Does it swim?
No.
Does it eat only plants?
Both plants and weed.
Okay. Do we have it?
No, we don't have it.
Ah, dang it. Is it small?
No, it's not small. It's medium.
Is it it's an animal, it's small, it has 4 legs,
Right.
it's medium size, and
Right.
it eats both plants and animals.
Mm-hmm.
Oh! Can people keep it as a pet?
Yes, in the zoo, but I don't know.
Not a pet, if it's just in
Yeah.
the zoo, okay.
People can keep it in the zoo, and some people also. I saw it in the house. They have one or 2, but not very many. Not famous to look after.
What is it? So it's not a pet, sort of? Then maybe it's gonna be like those rich people pets, right? Is it like those rich,
I don't
weird
think so.
people pets? No?
I don't think so. No.
Does it run fast?
Really, it's run fast.
Do people use that animal?
Oh yeah, some people use it. Some people train it to do something for them.
I want to answer a dog, but I don't know.
No, it's not a dog.
How many times do I get to answer?
3 times.
So that's one. Is it an animal of the North climate region? Or
It's in Asia.
Asian America? Is it... I'm even running out of questions to ask. What do I ask here? Does it have really thick fur?
No, not really thick.
No. Our camera's heating up again.
5 minutes.
Does it have wings?
No, it doesn't have wings. But it can swing from here to there.
Oh, I know it! I know it! Is it a monkey?
Oh! Show.
And it's definitely a monkey! Okay, your turn. Alright, it's my turn. Oh my god! My pen is so expensive. It is.
Mommy, you have to pay this.
Okay, my turn.
Is it animal, people,
No,
things?
oh, it's a thing.
It's a thing. Can eat?
No.
Is it thing inside the house?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it furniture?
No.
It's a thing, but it's not furniture.
No.
What color is it? And how big is it?
It comes in many color, comes in many sizes too.
How big is it? Very big?
Not too big, like you could put it on a table and stuff like that.
Oh, computer!
Oh my god! How did you even get that? Look, computer. Good job! Alright.
Okay, one more for me! One more.
Tiebreaker.
One more.
You're so fast.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
Well, I have another question. Okay.
Yeah, one more question each.
Okay. I will show it to them later.
No,
I
you
can
can
show it now. Okay.
Is it a living thing or a non-living thing?
Living thing.
Again. Is it an animal or a human?
Human.
Whoa. Is it me?
No.
Is it a socially important person?
Yeah, a long time ago, he was a superstar.
Michael Jackson.
Oh yeah! Michael Jackson!
Are you serious? Oh my god! I didn't know I would actually get that. I'm just like randomly answering, you know? Okay,
now
your turn. So if you can't answer this one, then you're done. I win.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Ah,
Shoe.
dalawa.
Close your eyes.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Is it animal, people, living things?
Yeah, thing.
Things. Oh, things. Is it furniture inside the house?
No furniture.
Not furniture.
Nope, it's not furniture.
It's a thing.
It's a thing.
Where to use it?
Anywhere.
How? How to use it?
You wrap it. You wrap it. Oh no.
You wrap it. Wrap it.
Internal
Wrap
temperature.
it.
Well, you can wrap yourself around it.
Gift?
No, it could wrap yours. It could wrap you.
Wrap me?
Yeah.
Wrap?
Wrap. Wrap you.
Rope. Is it a rope?
Nope. sizes.
This comes many sizes.
Yep.
Can wrap. Oh, scotch tape. Plaster.
Could wrap around you.
Blanket.
Because you were writing Michael Jackson and I thought of his son called Blank.
So, okay guys, do you know how to play this game now? It's quite fun, right?
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed our video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!